advocacy for my community. As the years go by, we as people also creating our problem, especially the safety of our lives through our environment. The loss of many trees and other vegetation can cause a climate change, desertification, soil erosion, and flooding that can give us a huge problem and that can ruin our lives. Converting people to make them realize that we need to protect our environment, planning and moving is the best way to create a solution. And now, let us all move forward toward the safety and healthy environment. And through helping each other, we can do difference. We can do to protect our environment. And through our unity, we can do to avoid calamities and have a peaceful living. This is what I want to reach out. Just loving our environment, protect nature, and save life for the better future to the next generation. Thank you and God bless everyone.